ವಿನ್ಯಾಸ್, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೋಡೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಲೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟು ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಇದು ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಟಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡನ್, ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅವೇ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? See, this is what is happening. So you move the pelvic bone back, then the entire body becomes straight. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿ ಸತಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, this is what is happening. Consciously move this back. So stay there. Now take one leg back. ಅದಾದ leg. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ. Now do the second one. ಬನ್ನಿ ಮುಂದೆ. One leg off the wall. The other leg. Now third variation. You have to stay at least for 30 seconds in all of these. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Give it one last try. We'll go to the next one. Fourth. ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ. 5. ಕೈ ಹತ್ರ ಬರಲಿ. Bring the palms close to one another. Palms, not the hands. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು. ಹಾಗೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಚೆ. ಹಾಗೆ. ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕೈ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಗೋಡೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? The first variation you should be able to do at least for 5 minutes. So once you do the first variation for at least 5 minutes, rest all the different variations. It's very easy and you'll be able to hold for 30 seconds. So the ones, is it possible for you to do the first variation without the support of the wall for 5 minutes? You have to keep timer from now onwards. 3, maximum 4 months you'll be able to do all the different variations, because first one is easy for you, the second is also. If you stay for at least 15 minutes in the first variation, like without any support of the wall, the rest of the variations comes naturally. So with the wall support, with the tip of the fingers against the wall, stay for 5-10 minutes, and then the next 5 minutes off the wall. If you have to stay for 5 minutes without the support of the wall, stay for 10 minutes against the wall, even though you are able to do. This is the 2:1 ratio that even I used in the last 10-12 years for me to do the perfect headstand. 10 minutes against the wall, 5 minutes off the wall. 20 minutes against the wall, 10 minutes off the wall. If you're able to do without the support of the wall for half an hour, that's it. All the variations you'll get very easily. Use this 2:1 ratio only for you, no one else. 2:1 ratio. With the wall, without the wall. Wall works wonders with respect to headstand. You don't need even my help if you use this 2:1 ratio. Okay? And the different variations, you start by practicing for say about 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Gradually increase it to 30 seconds. Increase it to 30 seconds only if you're able to do without the support of the wall for 5 minutes, the first variation of headstand. ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ. Done? ಸಾಕಾ? We go for the next one. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತು? ಒಂದೇನಾ? ಕೈ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? So now keep the count. Close your eyes, slow down the breath. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಬೇಕು. Now we'll go for the next one. Come up to Shirshasana itself. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, just watch. So you come up. Now from here, stay there, don't move. ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಸರ್ವಾಂಗಾಸನದ್ದು. ಎರಡನೇದು ಕೈ ಇಂಟರ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಹಾಗೆ ಆದರೆ ಇದು this is second variation. First one, ಮಾಡಿ first one. You see where the back is? The entire back is straight. So this position has to be exactly how it is. Now do the second one. Now the third one, palms rested on the thighs. Just place it on. Fourth one, hands at the back. If I leave now, here it comes. So that can't happen. Sarvangasana first variation, second variation, third variation, and fourth variation. The same rule applies even here. If you're able to do Sarvangasana first variation for at least half an hour, rest all the variation comes easily. When you do the first, second, third, and the fourth, the back has to be completely straight. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. Even if I don't support you, the spine has to be straight. First 5 variations of Shirshasana, first 5 variations of Sarvangasana. There are another 20 after this. So you do this correctly, I teach you the next ones. This itself takes at least 3 months. You are able to do first variation for at least half an hour, and then the first 5 variations of headstand for at least 30 seconds. And you finish this, then you ask me, I teach you the next one. Without this, nothing can be done. You have to gain certain level of mastery for you to go ahead in the next one. Aita? ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಹಲಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ಬೆನ್ನಿಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ತಳ್ಳಿ ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಲೆ. From there, Ekapada Sarvangasana. And see, most of your back will be like this and your leg will be like this. This is how it's supposed to be. I can't even straighten this because it's very stiff. When you're here, ನೀವು ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಡ್ರಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಡೌನ್. ಏಕಪಾದ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗಾಸನ. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ. I want the knees of both the legs to be tight. And one more thing, whenever you do Sarvangasana, stay. Chin must always be to the clavicular bone. You have to tighten the buttock muscles, tighten the knees, calf, and the toes must be pointed out. If this is not happening, I can't tell you what happens when you practice bandhas. Right? Another thing, elbows inside. The moment you move the elbows in, the leg tends to come back. Move the legs back. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Now all of you drop both the legs down, halasana. Straight ಮಾಡಿ So first 5 variations of sarvangasana. First 4. 4. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ next one ಇದು halasana. ಕೈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸೊಂಟಕ್ಕೆ. Forearms, elbow must be rested on the mat. ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೋಸ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ದೇರ್. ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು ಆಯಿತಾ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, the way you're staying for 5 minutes in sarvangasana, shirshasana, halasana, you got to stay for at least 5 minutes. Now close your eyes. Okay, one last round. Come up. ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಹಲಾಸನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ? ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಕಾಲು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಎರಡುವೆ? ನಿಮ್ದು ಪ್ರದೀಪ್? ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು ಎಸಿ ಮೊದಲು. ಹಾಗೆ ಶಬಾಷ್. ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? Drop one leg down first. This side.